So today I have some lamb and we're gonna be doing a spicy grilled lamb with grilled plantains with a Chadon Beni sauce.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands, chef.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So I added a little bit more pepper flakes for you.
You're just a woman after my own heart, darling. So Chadon Beni, it's actually the name of the, I guess, the sauce.
Beni in French is bless.
Could you say Beni in French? Come on, say it.
Beni.
Ooh, yes, ooh la la. So we have the green onions, we have the cilantro, garlic, sugar. We're back at the grill, so we're gonna start the lamb. I have a little oil here. So this is our lamb. And this is exactly what you're looking for, some nice grill marks on the lamb. So in front of you, we have grilled lamb.
Okay.
And it's served over grilled plantains with a guava mint sauce.
Wow. Really, really good.
This is delicious.